The wind's blowing, so I'm getting a little Italian seasoning on me, but that's okay. I'll just taste better. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited because I'm hosting a brunch with some girlfriends of mine. It's a beautiful sunny day, and I wanted to show you some of my favorite little appetizers that are really easy and quick to kind of throw together. We're gonna be doing my marinated olives, and we're gonna be doing my baked feta cheese, which is gonna be so good. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna take our olives. We're gonna drain a little bit of the juice. Save that for a martini later. I don't know what you wanna do, but... Then we're gonna do our Kalamata olives, a little Italian seasoning, some garlic, some lemon. The most important part. Take your lid. Okay, we're gonna shake it like a Polaroid picture. It is so good. It's perfect. All right, let's move on to the next thing. Baked feta. So this is probably the easiest thing. This actually went viral for us on Just Feed Me. So I figured I'd show you how to do it this way. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna bring it inside, I'm gonna bake it, and then when I come out, I'm gonna put the leaven on it. So we're just gonna kind of build our board to our liking. You got a little green, you got a little bit of like a red from the meat, a little bit of green from the olives, a little bit of cheese. Like there's just a way to kind of spruce it up. Well, something I've learned is if you don't slice a little bit of this cheese, nobody's gonna dig into it. People are afraid to cut into the new cheese at the houses. I don't understand it. And I'm gonna take our brie and I'm gonna put it right here in the middle. It really is such an art to building a board of your dreams. So I feel like this board looks really good. It is hot, it is sizzling. We're gonna toss this right in the middle. Our baked feta is sizzling. It looks amazing. I'm gonna put just a few olives because I just think it looks pretty and perfect. So people can use the crackers to dip in, they can use the bread. Now I want to jump over and get the cocktail of the hour ready. Okay, the girls should be here any second. The last thing I need to do is make the cocktail. And the cocktail today is gonna be the Aperol Mimosa, and it's gonna be good. And I'm gonna make a lot of it, and we're gonna have 3 pitchers of it. It's gonna be great. We're gonna start with the champagne. You can use champagne, you can use Prosecco, any kind of bubbly that you like. We're gonna do our Aperol. And then of course, a splash of orange juice. All right, let's go see if the girls are here. Hey guys, I'm so happy you're here. Oh, of course, this is gonna be so fun. Hi. Y'all sit down wherever. So I have some really big news to tell you guys. I'm joking. So this is a Aperol Mimosa. It's really good for you.
Wow.
This is my dream.
Oh my God.
Hey, cheers, ladies. Yay. Upper up.
Cheers.
Cheers. Well, thank you guys for coming. This was so fun. I know. You don't have to go home, but nah, I'm kidding. You stay.